In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily install QuickBooks Online app for Windows. If you've been using QuickBooks Online in a web browser, installing the Windows app can make your workflow smoother and faster. You'll get a dedicated window, fewer distractions, and you won't have to keep a browser tab open just to access your books. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, and by the end, you'll be signed in and ready to work in the desktop app. First, open your preferred web browser on your Windows computer. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any modern browser you normally use. Go to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page and log in with your Intuit user ID and password. Make sure you're signing in to the same account you use for your company file, because that's what the app will connect to later. Once you're signed in and your QuickBooks Online home screen is open, look at the top right corner of the page for the settings or gear icon. It usually looks like a small cogwheel. Click that icon to open the settings menu. In that drop-down menu, look for an option that says Get the Desktop App. Click this option. This tells QuickBooks you want to download the Windows application for QuickBooks Online. Your browser will now start downloading the installer file, usually called QuickBooks What you see next can vary slightly depending on your browser settings. In some cases, the file will start downloading automatically to your default downloads folder. In others, you might be asked where you'd like to save the file. You can simply choose your downloads folder or another location you'll remember. Let the download fully complete before moving on. When the download is done, locate the QuickBooks Setup.exe file. You can click it directly from your browser's downloads area or open your downloads folder and double-click the file there. This will launch the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions in the installer. You may be asked to agree to the license terms and choose basic installation options. In most cases, the default choices are fine for typical users. When the installer finishes, it will place a QuickBooks Online app shortcut on your desktop. Finally, double-click the new desktop shortcut to open the app. Sign in with the same credentials you used in your browser, and your company file will load inside the Windows app. From here, you can use QuickBooks Online just like you would in a browser, but with the convenience of a dedicated desktop application.